Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create content for social media on Canva. The first thing you want to do is go onto canva.com and you can get started for completely free. Once on Canva, you're going to select social media. After selecting social media, you can choose the platform that you would like to use. So let's say, for example, I want to create an Instagram reel. I'll select Instagram. Then from there, I could select reel. After you have done that, you're going to be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you're going to see a blank canvas, as you can see right here. And you will also see the duration is 5 seconds in the bottom left-hand corner. And what I like about Canva is they provide you with templates that you can use if you don't have any idea how you would like your reel or any social media content to use. You could simply use their reel and then you can replace different things and add your own personal touch. So you can see the different templates right here that you could use. And by the way, you can use any one of these templates on the free plan. All you'll need to do is avoid the ones that you see pro, as you will need to be a paid subscriber to use that particular template. But in this tutorial, we'll be creating something from scratch. So I'm going to tap on elements in the top left hand corner. Then after tapping on elements, let's say for example, I want to select a beach. I want to add something from the beach. So I'll select beach right here. And by the way, all of these are copyright free photos or videos that I could use. So I'm going to be using a beach photo. So let me do that real quick. I'll simply select and drag and place this photo right here. Then all I'll need to do is tap on the three dots and I'm going to tap on set image as background. So you can see the background right there. After I've done that, I'm going to be adding something else. So for example's sake, let's say I would like to add, just for example's sake, let's say man. So I'll type in man right there, then tap on enter. Then you can see the different options and I'm going to be adding a graphic. So just for example's sake, let's say I would like to add this graphic right here. All I'll do is simply drag and place the graphic. Then I can reduce the size, but I want it to simply appear for the first, let's say 2 seconds. So all I'll need to do, I'll simply tap on it right here. After you have done that, you're going to select position from the top menu option. Once you have selected position, I want you to tap on layers from the left-hand menu option. After you have tapped on layers, you can see it right here. Then all you'll need to do, you're going to tap on the three dots. Once you have tapped on the three dots, you're going to see some menu option pop up. And I want you to tap on show timing. So at the moment, you can see that this image will last the full duration of the reel, which I don't want it to do. So I'll simply pull the duration to the left. I want it to last for the first 2 seconds. So you can see it right there. So now if I were to go back, then tap on play, you will realize that the image only lasts for the first 2 seconds. Then I'm going to be adding another image just for example's sake to show you how you can do this, how you can add numerous layers on your social media content using Canva. Now to do this, I'll go over to elements once more. And in this option, I'm going to be adding a bird just for example's sake. So I'm going to be adding the bird right here. So I'll add the bird right here. After I've added the bird, I'm going to once more tap on the timeline right here. And I'm going to select position again. After selecting position, you want to ensure that you have selected the bird layer. Then you're going to tap on the three dots once more. After you have tapped on the three dots, from here you will see the option to adjust the timeline. So I'm going to simply pull it to right here. I want it to be the last 2 seconds. So you can see it right there. So now if I were to carry this back to the start, then tap on play, you realize that the man appears for the first 2 seconds and then the bird for the last 2 seconds. Also, if you would like it to be animated, so let's say I would like this to be animated, I could simply tap on the image, then tap on animated. After you have tapped on animated, you can choose the different options that you want. Whether you like it to pan or rise, you can do that. Or if you like to create your own animation, you can do that by tapping on create an animation. So let's say I would like the image to move from left to right. All I would need to do after tapping on create an animation, I could simply pull it from left to right, as you can see right there. Then I could tap on smooth to smooth it out, then steady so it goes straight. Then I'll tap on done. So now if I were to tap on play, you can see right there. And you can do this with the bird also, and you can also do it with text. Once everything is to your liking, and by the way, to add text, all you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option, tap on text, and you can choose the text style that you would like to use. And also, if you would like to add audio, you can do that. You can tap on uploads to upload your own audio track or to record an audio track. Or you can find copyright free music you can use on Canva by tapping on elements from the left hand menu option. And from here you could simply type in audio. So let me do that real quick. Once you have typed in audio, from the top menu option right here, you could scroll across, tap on audio. Then you can see the different audio tracks that you can use right here. And all of these are copyright free. Keep in mind that the ones that you see with the crown, you would have to be a paid subscriber to use it. Once you have found an audio track that you like, you can simply add it to your timeline, as you can see right there. And once everything is to your liking, you'll tap on share in the top right hand corner. Then after you have tapped on share, you'll tap on download to save your video or whichever social media content you want to create. Hopefully you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.